The secret of my 100-year-old neighbor's life. Magic recipe. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Did you know that garlic is not only a spice that enhances the flavor of dishes, but also a great natural antibiotic that helps increase resistance? However, if garlic is not stored properly, garlic is very susceptible to mold, sprouting, and spoiling, making your precious jar of garlic useless. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. That is also the reason why many people buy garlic, but it quickly spoils and has to be thrown away, causing waste. In today's video, I will share with you 4 simple and effective methods of preserving garlic, helping to keep garlic fresh, not moldy or sprouting, and can be used for a very long time. Let's get started. Method 1. Natural antibiotics. Prepare 600 grams of garlic. Arrange the garlic in a large bowl. Separate the garlic cloves. Which country are you viewing from? Leave a comment. I use local garlic. Choose the right type of garlic for pickling. Remove any damaged, moldy, wilted garlic. Add water and wait 1 hour. Add water and wait 1 hour. After 1 hour, take the garlic out and wash it with clean water. The garlic will be easier to peel. Peel the garlic skin. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put the peeled garlic on a plate. This garlic is delicious to eat with dishes, really delicious. Slice the large bulbs in half. Garlic helps prevent colds in cold weather. Put the garlic in a jar. I use a 400 milliliter jar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to each jar. 1 teaspoon of sugar to sweeten 300 milliliters of vinegar. If you like spicy, you can add a few slices of fresh chili. Finally, pour boiled and cooled filtered water into each jar. Make sure the garlic is completely submerged in water. Close the lid. Shake the garlic jar gently. Keep in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. After about 7 to 10 days, it can be used. The longer you leave it, the more flavorful and delicious the garlic will be. Very delicious. Can be preserved intact for 1 year. With this preservation method, you can keep the garlic for 1 year without worrying about it spoiling. Method 2. Preserving garlic with oil and salt. Peel the garlic, remove the root. Wash if necessary. Let it drain completely. Use a knife to chop it finely or put it in a blender to puree it. Do not grind it too finely, just finely enough. Put the chopped garlic in a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Then add 100 liters of cooking oil. Continue to mix well until the mixture is blended. Rinse the glass jar with boiling water. Let it dry completely. Important. Spoon the garlic mixture into the jar. Press lightly to remove air bubbles. You can pour a thin layer of oil on top to seal the surface. Close the lid tightly. Store in the refrigerator. When using, always use a clean dry spoon to scoop out the garlic. You can store it for 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. If you see the garlic change color, have a strange smell, or have a scum, you should throw it away immediately. Method 3. Preserve with rice. Place garlic in the middle of the rice bin. Bury it deep and cover it with rice. Rice is a food that is used all year round in the house. If the rice is at risk of weevils, garlic contains allicin, a pungent smell, which will help repel weevils' eggs. Dry rice helps keep the garlic dry, preventing sprouting. The two support each other, both preventing weevils and preserving garlic. Very convenient. Method 4. Drying garlic at home. Peel the garlic skin. Rinse quickly under running water if necessary, then dry or drain completely. Slice into thin, even slices, about 1 to 2 millimeters thick. The thinner the slices, the faster and more evenly they dry. Dry in strong sunlight, preferably from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., for about 2 to 3. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Dry until the garlic slices are crispy, white or light yellow. Then put the dried garlic slices in a clean, dry glass jar. Close the lid tightly. Store in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Can be stored in the refrigerator to extend the storage time. Storage time: 6 months to 1 year if dried and stored properly. Very suitable for long-term storage and convenient for cooking or making garlic powder. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please click like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. I would be very happy if you turned on the notification bell. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.